Can you still buy Sharp TVs? Yes, Sharp TVs are still available for purchase, but their availability varies depending on the region. Sharp continues to manufacture and sell TVs, particularly in Asia, Europe, and select North American markets. In some regions, Sharp has licensed its brand to other companies, meaning different manufacturers produce Sharp branded TVs. First, Sharp TV availability by region. Sharp TVs are widely available in Japan, Europe, and Asia, where the company directly manufactures and sells them. In the United States and Canada, Sharp TVs are produced under a licensing agreement with Hisense, which means they may differ in design and features compared to original Sharp models. 2. Where to buy Sharp TVs. Step 1. Check online retailers. Sharp TVs are available on platforms like Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy, and other online stores. Step 2. Visit local electronics stores. Some brick-and-mortar retailers still stock Sharp TVs, depending on the region. Step 3. Explore Sharp's official website. Depending on your location, the Sharp website may offer details on the latest TV models and authorized sellers. Step 4. Consider importing. If a Sharp TV is unavailable locally, some online marketplaces allow users to import models from other countries. Third, Sharp TV models and features. Sharp produces various TV models, including 4K Ultra HD, OLED, and smart TVs powered by Android TV or Roku TV. Some models feature HDR support, Dolby Vision, and built-in voice assistance for an enhanced viewing experience. Fourth, Sharp versus licensed Sharp TVs. In North America, Sharp branded TVs are manufactured by Hisense under a licensing agreement. These TVs may have different hardware and software compared to Sharp manufactured models found in Japan and Europe. Buyers should check product details and specifications before purchasing. Fifth, alternatives to Sharp TVs. If Sharp TVs are unavailable, users can consider similar brands like Hisense, TCL, Sony, Samsung, and LG, which offer comparable features and pricing. Some of these brands provide better software support, app availability, and panel quality in certain regions. Sharp TVs are still available in select markets, with varying manufacturers depending on the region. Buyers should check availability, specifications, and licensing details before purchasing to ensure they get an authentic Sharp experience.